I grew up in Darwin, and my inspiration was my father, who treated all of his employees with respect and with dignity. He was a social justice campaigner, and that had a very significant influence on me. And I started that off in my years as a prefect at Darwin High School, where I advocated for the rights of other students to be heard and to be treated respectfully whilst they were studying at school. As a public servant, I also practiced treating people with dignity and to help educate people about their rights. And that's flowed on throughout my career as a diplomat, working internationally, and then working as the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander Social Justice Commissioner and National Race Discrimination Commissioner in Australia. This is what social justice is about. It's about inclusion, it's about making sure that our services are provided in a non-discriminatory way and that they're accessible by all Australians who need them. I've been very fortunate in my life because I've been in positions where I've been able to influence the thinking of politicians, the thinking of the nation. Issues like the Cronulla riots, the Bali bombings, the London bombings, the Northern Territory intervention. All of these issues are very significant. They required a lot of effort for the community to understand. Another very important one was the Close the Gap campaign. The question is, in a society as rich as ours, why is this gap? Why do Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people die 17 years younger than the rest of the population? They are significant policy issues that needed to be addressed. I did that by suggesting to government that they needed to look at a human rights-based approach to the delivery of healthcare for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people. The voice and the referendum are probably one of the biggest issues that are out there now, so that we can address all the information that's required so people can make an informed and a very positive decision about supporting a voice to Parliament and changes to our Constitution. Get on board, understand what's being proposed. Don't be intimidated by thinking that there's something going to be in that referendum that's not going to be there. It's just about a very simple, yes, you agree to recognise Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people having a voice in our Constitution and to our Parliament. Thank you. When Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people are concerned, it's governments and others who will determine what's best for us. And we're trying to turn that around. We have a situation now, a great travesty, and that is the floods. And those floods and the recovery from the floods won't be done by governments alone. They'll be done with governments and the community being actively involved. And that's all we're asking as Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people, is that we get involved in our futures as governments tend to do with non-Indigenous Australians. Social justice has been central to all of the activities that I do. It's about understanding others. It's about empathy, it's about respect, and it's about treating people with equality and treating people fairly. And that has permeated all the work that I do, and I will continue to do until my last breath.